Hi, I'm Sean Kroll, the owner of South Sound Tree and Landscape. We are going to be removing some trees today for our homeowner Larry. Larry has a large dead fir here within striking distance of his house. So what we are going to do to take it over safely and gently, we've climbed the tree, attached a pole line out over here to a hand winch, and also we'll be using a bottle jack to help push the tree over rather than rely on wedges, which require a large impact on a dead tree, which can break branches out, endangering the feller. We're going to try a little bit gentler approach. And we could probably wedge this tree over, but you don't want to hire the "we could probably do it and not hit your house" tree service, do you? So I'm going to turn the camera over to Larry here. Ready? Oops.
It's going.
So if you'd like to find out about your trees, a consultation for tree care, tree removal, stump grinding, cabling, we offer pretty much a full range of tree services. I'm a certified ISA arborist, and we work primarily in the Olympia area, and would appreciate your business. Our phone number is 360-584-5664, and our website, southsoundtree.com. Thank you.